In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Hostgator hosting. Whether you're setting up your first website or expanding your online presence, adding a domain to your Hostgator account is a straightforward process that we can complete in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get your domain set up. To start, you'll need to visit the Hostgator website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter hostgator.com in the address bar. When the website loads, you will be greeted by HostGator's homepage, which offers a variety of hosting solutions. From here, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page and give that a click. This will bring you to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your registered email and password. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the HostGator home dashboard. Once you are in your account dashboard, it's time to add your domain. Navigate to the home section if you're not already there. On the HostGator homepage, you'll need to find and click on the website option. This will take you to a new section dedicated to managing your websites and domains. Next, look for the ADD a domain button. Clicking this will bring up options to either purchase a new domain or add an existing one. If you already own a domain and just want to link it to your HostGator hosting, you'll have the choice to proceed with that. However, for those who need a new domain, click on the Buy a Domain button. This action will take you to a domain search and purchase page. Here you can check the availability of your desired domain name and proceed with the purchase if it's available. It's important to remember that different domain names come with varying costs, usually depending on the domain extension you choose, like .com, .net, .net, or .org. Once you've selected and purchased your domain, HostGator will automatically link it to your hosting account. This process is designed to be user-friendly, but don't hesitate to reach out to HostGator's support team if you encounter any snags along the way. They are quite responsive and can assist you with any issues related to domain registration or setup. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, you've successfully added a domain to your HostGator hosting account. Owning your domain opens up a world of opportunities to build a professional online presence. So go ahead and start creating your website and sharing your content with the world. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Until next time, happy hosting.